Hi everyone again. This is Oscar from B-roll Production again, and today we're gonna do have to finish the series of video tutorial that I'm sharing with you guys. From day one until now. I think we did. All those tutorial from the past few weeks that I've been discussing with you guys, about how to create your fan page. We did the tutorial about how to install your Facebook pixel helper, use your audience inside, creating custom audience and custom conversion, all those that we have did in the past. And today what we're gonna do is we're gonna have our first ads campaign that we are going to run. And this time I'm gonna have to do the because there's two way you can place your ads, right? One is for physical products or the e-commerce, and the other one is let's say if you have a services kind of business that you wanted to place ads on your Facebook account, so those are two different way of ads. And today what we're gonna have is we have a product that we wanted to test first before we launch it. So I have my buddy that have this product that he wanted to sell online on e-commerce. So he asked me if I could have test the product first before we launch the product selling online. So that is, since I have this tutorial, I wanted to make it like the actual real ads that I'm going to have, and I will run this the ads for 7 days, and we'll set up a budget of $3 per day. Let's say $3 to in 1 week you can you just have to spend like $21 for the whole, just to see and test the product, if the product will be get lots of engagement, lots of inquiry. This is the good thing with the advertising in Facebook. Before you have your physical product, if you want to know if it's really gets engagement or people will buy it, you can always test the product by placing ads on the A/B testing mode. So okay, without further ado, I think I'm just gonna make okay, some folks, what they do is they would advertise using the ads manager. And you can also do place your ads using Power Editor. So it's either the two of these, one of these method you're going to use. Some they would like to use Ads Manager, but I prefer to use Power Editor in placing my ads, so I can have all the access on how to edit, how will I see the ads going on. It's basically more detail if you place your ads here. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just click the Power Editor, and it will send you to this platform here. This is like a kind of like an interface of what is going to all your advertisement. Okay, so if you never tried Facebook ads before, you will not see all this thing here. Okay, so in order to create your first campaign, what you're gonna do is go over to the create campaign. Okay, as I said, this is a actual test that I'm going to have for e-commerce. We're gonna do the e-commerce ads first, and then probably next week I will share with you the how to advertise on lead generation, or if you have services like products that mean services that you have. Let's say if you are a chiropractor, dental, or uh, services that you are selling to your customers. So, okay, so first thing foremost is you wanna have to name your product, your campaign name. I think since this is the product that we're going to test. It's called Modi. It's a cable streaming box. For people who are into they want to save money. Not paying monthly cables. So you can have this product. By getting this product, I think this is cost 399 something. You can have a free access on live streaming, TV, and all those features that they have here, karaoke and games. So basically, this is the product that we wanted to test, and run it for a week. Okay, Moditech. Let's say the purpose is we wanted to check if people would interact to this ad. So that is the main purpose of this testing this product first. So from objective, you wanna this is how it likes. Okay, objective is where you want to have your ads to happen. Let's say if you have a product that or services you wanted to test and see how would people react, you want to go over to the post per engagement pairs, and you will find out if how many people would react, if they're gonna ask questions about the product, about the things that you're selling. If they're gonna say something about it, you will know exactly. This is for me just to see if the products really works or not. Okay, and let's say if you wanted to have your fan page, to get more leads, you wanna use this objective for people who can visit and would like add click likes to your fan page. Basically this one is for, let's say you have a services that you're selling. This one is more of an accurate way of getting a lead, because it has a form straight from Facebook that the visitor will fill up and ask about your business or information about your business. So this is the lead generation. And lastly, but not the least, is the conversion. This is basically if you have a physical product that you are selling online, e-commerce. Okay, so basically conversion is, let's say, that's why we have the tutorial on how to create your custom conversion. This is where Facebook gather all data. So if you're gonna click this, Facebook will collect all the information that you wanted to have on your ads by selling your products, and Facebook collect all the details of all the audiences or visitors that will get into your ads. So basically, this is more likely for a physical product. So for the time being, we're gonna use the post engagement pairs for testing. Okay, next thing you're gonna do is the ad set name. So ad set name, let's say we're gonna do Modi Tech, because that is the product. So um, okay, let's say just Modi Tech. That's the ad set name. And lastly, I'm gonna have to I'll say this Modi Tech uh, testing PPE, okay, post per engagement, because I just want to see if the product would be, has a great potential to sell online or not, okay. Then save it, save the drop, and then it will send you to another interface here. So we got the post per engagement, that's our objective. And just so you know, Facebook always updates, about all this thing here, the platform. Okay, so for me, just to be on the right track, I always go on a forum. Let's say it's not only because you're just a small business. You're gonna stick on what things that you have to learn new things also. Let's say from your marketing, from accounting, or because if you're a small or business owner or part-time owner, business owner, you have to learn everything. So part of this is, I would go to a forum where you can learn marketing techniques. Okay, so from here, let's say you're gonna have to click your ad set, and this the major thing. This is where you're gonna do all your ads. Okay, basically. Do you remember the last time those tutorial that I did for the last 2 months, I guess, everything. You can use all those tips that I've shared with you guys in here, in this time frame here, okay? First and foremost, you want to set up your budget. Okay, for this testing, let's say I'm gonna have to say $3 a day. And if I have like $3 a day, it'll be like $21 a week. Okay, a week. And basically for testing, you want to run it for like just 1 week, to see if it really works, right? And some folks, because there's another way again to do it. Once you know that the product is really selling, another way of do your advertisement. If you find out that the product is really selling, we're gonna have to discuss that on the next video after this. All right, so first I did try the testing under PPE. So I want to show you how you place ads on product when you want to convert your audience from buying the product itself. Okay. Alright, so here you can set a schedule end, but I don't want to do that because I want to keep the ads running, and you can always turn it off if you don't want to, okay? So this is the target audience that you can have, without all the information yet. And it will narrow it down as the soon you add all your specific target that you wanted to have on your ads. Okay, so $3 for 1 week, $21. All right, here, as I mentioned before, right, the custom audience. If you populate enough custom audience, you want to use that. then this is the area you want to go and use that audience. But if you have like a small audience, not even like 10,000, you don't want to use it. You want to populate, all those custom audience until you reach a large number of audience. Same thing with the lookalike. Like I have here, I have lookalike, because I'm targeting worldwide, so I have a large number, right? So that's how you do it. That's where you're gonna check and use your custom audiences. And it's always important when you do your retargeting. Okay, this is where you're gonna use. For a first timer, you don't have any data yet. All you have to do is go on the location and run all the ads here, okay? Placing all your details, okay? So, for that product, I want to target like just people around, come on, bro, Alberta, Canada, yeah. I don't want to go further, You just want to go when you do your tests. Try to be in a small area first, and then you'll find out if it's really had the potential of success. Okay, then you go further, go wide. If you find out that the product that you're selling is worthy to spread. Okay. Remember last time I told you go on the audience insight. That's the tutorial I did where you can write down all the lists of target that you have on your ads. Okay, remember that I have write down everything here: the location, the age, gender, the interest. All this information that I have. In creating my ads, I had to write down here so I know a specific demographic people interest that I will have to use on my ads. Does that make sense? That's the reason why I have I shared with you last time that tutorial on how to use your audience insight. This is what it is. I had to record all this and have this on my list of target, so I know that my target will be specific, and I have a very specific positive result when I place my ads. I'm not gonna waste my money. You know what I mean? Facebook will track all this information. Okay, so yeah. Since I have this product that I ran for like testing right here, Modetech, that I made this just last night, so I know I'm gonna have this today. Okay, so the location will just be in Alberta. Let's see the demographic I have here. See what I have on my list. I have to target 24 to 55, I believe. That's the age bracket I'm selling. We are selling and testing the product. Okay, see the counts. The potential reach is narrowing down because what Facebook does is targeting, the people that you wanted, to be on your ads. Okay, so what? Target 24 to 55 years old, men and women. I believe that was on my 24 25, gender male and female, interest, entertainment. Let's go and check entertainment. From entertainment, games, movies, and TV. Okay, because what it says again, entertainment, entertainment. Yeah, okay, here. Okay, that's the target. What else I have in there? Games, movies, and TV. Okay, games. Let's check this out. Excuse me. Games. Okay, I want to write it down instead. Games. Okay, I forgot. Use English. Let's say English for your language. Okay, English all. Okay, so games. Because that is. Come on, bro. Because that is what the product is all about. We are trying to test and sell, right? Games here. This is new technology. It's live streaming for movies and TVs. That's my target. Okay, let's say movies here, TV. Okay, because that is what it's all about. TV. See the numbers go. Narrowing it down, right? What else? Movie lovers. What else? What else in here? So okay, I target cable television. I did target GMA Pinoy, GMA Pinoy, GMA, no, GMA, Pinoy's, GMA Pinoy's TV. Because one of my target is Filipinos, so that's where I want my ad goes. People who are into like teleserye or dramas, Pinoy channel. Okay, let's go with Pinoy channels. Pinoy channel. Let's see if we have it. There you go. Well, come on, bro. Giving me hard time, bro. There you go, Pinoy channel. So Facebook will send all my ads to Filipino communities, Filipinos who are interested in the drama, teleseries, whatever. Okay, Filipino channel. Yeah, Filipino channel. Okay, Filipino channel. Okay, the Filipino channel. Yeah, there you go. TFC. I think this is the TFC. Okay, so still the same number. What else? I tried to narrow it down. Let's say narrow it down. Anyway, forget about that. Let's go back in there. Okay, so what else? Connection. You have 1,500,000 interested people on this category. Okay. Remember, for that amount of budget, it can reach to 140, 770 audience, each day. 12 to 75 post engagement, each day. So by using all these interests and demographic, okay? You don't want to have to do that. Edit placement. We're gonna go edit placement. What we're gonna do? We want these ads go to feeds, instant article. I don't want that. Instant article. In-stream video, no. Suggested video, no. Feed, Instagram, maybe, yeah. Audience network. Just leave it that way. Okay, and right, 1277. You have to keep in mind right here, it says 12 to 77 post engagement for the amount of $3 that you're going to spend. Let's say if you add another $2, see, it adds up the reach and post engagement, but for the sake of testing, I don't want to do that. I don't want to spend so much just to test, right? So kind of like 12 to 7, posts per engagement each day that you're going to have, if your product that you are selling have a potential. Okay, nowadays people more likely would go to mobiles. They normally go on mobiles, Android, all mobile. Let's say all mobiles, that's. But if you want to go all devices. Okay, if you want to run and test, using just mobile only, you just click mobile only, right? And I found that it more rich than the using the desktop and all device. If you want to have like desktop only, it's a little different. So how about let's do it that way, mobiles and but if I would do a actual, let's say, if I want people to convert, I'm not just doing the testing. I would go for just the mobile alone, because people are using just nowadays mobile. Very seldom you will see more people would go on mobile rather than desktop. So that is according to actual study. So people would go. So then this one you just live on an all mobile device. And here, this is something new. So I did run post engagement, bid strategy, update to bidding. See, set a bid. No. You don't want to set your bid here. More option to deliver. Now it's different. Okay, standard. We're gonna do standard, all right? So after that, after you have set all your all this thing, all your target, or your demographics, you gonna go over to the ads itself. Okay, so this will send you to another interface here. Use existing post. No, I'm not gonna use that. What I'm gonna do is I have to create, because this is the old one that I have here, but I'm gonna have to create, and it's either which type of ads you want to use for your content, right? Some using video, some are images. Let's say if you want to use your image, go get images from your library, like what I have here. But for this product that we are having, what we're gonna use is we're gonna use a video. Anyway, yeah. So this is basically the product that just I add, right? So where is it? So what I did is I went over to the video, right? And I did okay, I'm gonna show you how it's gonna work, right? Okay, so I went to the this select video here, right? Okay, and then I went to this from my page, from my library. Then I have to pick up this video that I'm going to have as for my content, and just click select on it, and it will shows up here. And now it's saving to drop. And what you're gonna do is, yes, let's try and test this one here.
This is the future of entertainment. Meet Modi. It's an all-in-one entertainment
that is what people would see on your ads, on your advertisement.
To a world of entertainment content, simply and easily.
You can use either images or a sequence of images, or video, But mostly people are using now is mostly video that they are using, Okay. So what is the next step? Button. This is gonna be your call to action, okay? And for me, I'm not gonna do the shop now because it's very it's not. I want people to learn more about the product before, it's not kind of like it's not like a a fashion like apparel or necklace or something like that, they need to know full information. And what I'm going to do is I will send the link to the website so people would actually know further details about the product. So that's how I used to do it. So I'm gonna click learn more, and then here they're asking about the
This is the future.
they're asking about the URL, right? So I'm gonna have to go over and okay, this is the website link that I'm gonna have to add to my video content, so people will be sent to this website address, URL address, to learn more about the product. You know what I mean? All-in-one entertainment. Tired of paying your monthly bill for your cable? We have a solution for you so you can get rid of your cable bills. No monthly fees, all free. I just want you guys to go over again and check every detail of it, okay? So first, you're gonna go back to the main ads campaign for our demographic, interest, and all that. You have $3 budget. December 18, and your target location is Alberta from 24-55 age, and this is your detailed targeting, interest, entertainment and all that. Add a connection type. No, this is what you're gonna get. 150 to 830 reach each day for the $3 budget. 13 to 84 post engagement. And all this we check and cross out what we don't want to use. And mobile device, how about okay, we're gonna do all device anyways. All device, okay, that's what we do now. Okay, all device, delivery, save to drop. So basically we are clear here. And then go to the ad where we can have the video ads, the content that we have, and we are do this testing for post per engagement basically. And then we found out the video that we're going to use and the content to attract the audience, and the website that they're going to link, and also the call to action button where they can find the product itself. All right, and here is the important thing, the B-roll Productions pixel. The pixel is for me to know exactly what is going to happen on my ads, right? So port offline, set for biller. Okay. All right. So that's the importance of having your the pixel. You can track what is going on your ads. All right. So basically you're done, and then what we're gonna do next is to review the drop item. Okay, review the drop item, and then we have 3. I think we're all set to go. And what you're gonna do is just want to confirm. Press the button confirm. All right. What gonna happen next is Facebook will review your ads, and then probably in an hour or 2 you will find out if your ads you are complying with the rules and all that thing, Facebook regulation. And once see here, pending review. Once Facebook allowed that your I did some researching about the product yesterday, so I don't think I violate any Facebook regulation about this product. So I'll just just give this test try now and see what will happen. And I think that's it for advertising e-commerce. If you have like physical product, on your Facebook fan page account. And that is only for me, for my personal use, because I wanted to try, if the product, have a potential on selling online. But basically, that's how the system goes. Okay, and on my next tutorial, I'm gonna teach you another step in placing your ads if you have a physical product when you want your audience to get the product by converting or by conversion, using the conversion objective on your ads. This thing now, I do this because I wanted to test the product if it's will create a lot of engagement, lot of inquiry, and all that. I hope this makes sense. And once again, I think it took me like 40 minutes, 45 minutes. It takes me forever to made all this video, but I hope you guys will be patient and try to watch the video, how it it was how the way you're going to create your Facebook ads effectively. And if you do this right, I'm pretty much sure 99% you're gonna get a positive result when you place your ads on Facebook. Anyway, once again, if you find something value on this tutorial that I've been that I'm sharing with you guys, don't forget to check our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button, and also go to the our fan page on our Facebook account, and like all the tutorial or all the things that we are sharing to you online. Anyway, one more week, it's gonna be a Christmas, and I would like to wish you all guys Merry Christmas to everyone, all the folks from back home in the Philippines, maligayang Pasko, and everybody worldwide, Merry Christmas and have a prosperous New Year. Thank you again. This is Oscar from Bilo Production.